Hi guys! Hi! It's already November, but I'm filming this video for the month of October. Yay! My God! Tayo daw! So, actually, ngayon pa lang, medyo naka-apologize na ako sa noise outside. I will try to minimize it, but I can promise. Andito kasi ako sa labas ng bahay. I decided to ako community park near my home para lang maiba yung environment. So, sorry about the noise. Hindi ko naman na-expect for today's video. So, sila na kayo background music. So, yun guys. Yeah. So, just like what I said, I'm filming this video for the month of September. So, I just wanted to, give you a recap about, what I have read for the month of September. So, it's Buttermilk Sky, Infinity, and I Love You Since 1892 by yeah. So, yeah. So, all in all, I was able to read actually 3 books for the month of September, but 2 books are actually physical, then 1 is online book. So, ang physical po natin doon is Infinity and Buttermilk Sky. Ang ating non-physical or online book kung binasa is I Love You Since 1892 by Mimi. So, just to give you a recap or, pasada lang ng my reading experience or my reading journey for the 3 books. No worries, I will flash it in your screen in 3, 2, 1.
Can I get your attention, baby girl? Let me tell you something, hold on, wait a minute. 절대 깰 일이 없어 너의 믿음 부족해 말로만 표현하기는 like the ocean. 널 향한 사랑의 깊이는 너와 매일마다 깨고파 난 너의 향기 두 팔로 감아 Wanna love you like there's no tomorrow 더는 바라지 않아
수다드는 손길이 너무나도 달달해 like rum pum 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 rum pum 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 그냥 있어도 내 가슴이 자연스레는 향해 뛰고 있으니 모르는 척 넘어가줘 난 부끄럽지 않게 날 안아줘
날 안아줘 빈틈없이 오마 엔도핀 파스텔 톤 필름 덮인 no beat green green 유토피아 나날이 더 칠해온 이상색을 합법적인 더비 둘의 싱그러운 스텝 마치 봄의 화이트 오션 뷰 스펙트럼 한 폭의 프레임 데자부처럼 눈이 진 되어져 밤의 꿈 한여름 밤의 꿀 달콤한 봄
쏟아지는 손길이 너무나도 달달해요 그대는 어쩜 이리 질리지가 않죠 이대로 잠시 시간이 멈췄으면 좋겠다는 생각이 자꾸 드네요 Can you feel me burning up
you feel
올라 올라 올라
Okay guys, so now that I was able to, show you my reading journey for those 3 books, now what I'm going to talk about is my book of the month. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now, is to talk about my book of the month. And it's no other than... So yeah guys, it's no other than I Love You Since 1892 by Bini. Yeah. Shout out po kay Bini for, creating that book. Okay, so I think, do I have to explain it further? Kasi I think I don't need, because kung pinanood nyo yung yung journey ko while reading that book. Oh, by the way pala, may separate vlog ako doon. So, check nyo na lang sa playlist ko. May wrap-up playlist. So, check nyo kung asan doon ang aking mga pinagpabasa. Nandun yun. Nandun yung I Love You Since 1892 by Bini. Yeah, I think it's a 17 minutes video, full video length. So, check nyo na lang. So yun nga, guys. That's my book of the month. I Love You Since 1892 by Bini. Yeah. Now, why is it my book of the month? So it is my book of the month simply because actually it really gave me a lot of feelings, and it's actually a roller coaster ride. So kung pinanood niyo yung video, makikita niyo naman na okay, ako, kilig-kilig lang, tatawa, tapos maya biglang iiyak, tapos ito na naman, kikilig, tapos matatawa na naman, tapos bigla naman iiyak. Alam mo yung emotion mo habang binabasa yung libro is parang nasa baba ka, dito ka sa gitna, tataas ka ng bumagsak ulit, gano'n. Pero yung feeling, promise, ang dami kong iniiyak. And palagi ko itong sinasabi na if that book was able to give me a roller coaster ride of emotions, parang matik na siya palagi sa akin na yeah, it will be my book of the month. So, actually, honestly, I'm torn between Infinity and I Love You Since 1892 kasi Infinity really ko na siya, but it is actually part of my collection. So, I'm torn between that two, and sinabi ko to na parang doon ko rin i-determine, since may mga kasama tayo rin, doon ko rin i-determine if yung mga readings ko is let go ko na ba or hindi. So, in this case, I will keep it ma-Infinity. Kasi bitin din. Kasi meron pa siyang kasunod talaga sa totoo lang. So, it's very bitin. Hindi ko pa siya kayang i-let go. But at the same time, I have a new book that will be added on my collection because yun nga, I Love You Since 1892. What do I love the most, aside from the fact that I Love You Since 1892 was able to read give me that roller coaster ride of emotions. I guess it's also the fact na it is not just a book about romance. It's also a book about history, about the life of Filipinos back when we were colonized by Spaniards. And of course, hindi ko na naman naranasan yun because it's on the 18th century. Ano siya? Siguro mga lolo ko yun naranasan nila. Pero ako, hindi ko siya naranasan. So, it's actually good for me that I was, reminded and got exposed again to that kind of history. Isa ako sa mga estudyante, ayun, na ng mga panahon na tinuturo si Rizal, hindi talaga ako masyado focus into it. I admit, naamin ko po yun. So, hindi ko ganong as an estudyante, napakasipag for one. So, hindi ko masyadong absorb yung buhay ni Rizal. And actually, yung libro kasi na yun, may touch siya ng Elfie and Noli Me Tangere. So, if you are familiar with those two books, and also if you're familiar with Maria Clara at si Ibarra na pinuduce ng GMA, may ganong similarity kasi nga, it's all about, Spaniards, colonization of Spaniards. So, may similarity siya. So, yun lang. And what's amazing with how it was written is, yun na, may natututunan ka, minamahal mo yung mga characters, but at the same time, it will take you to actually different locations and different landmarks na, part of our history. It's very, sobrang, like, in my perspective, sobrang yaman ng libro na it's amazing how Binibini was able to incorporate romance, history, and myths and fables in one book. So yun lang, sobrang nakaka-amaze talaga. And, and I think it's very important na this kind of book exists. And what else do I love about this book is also like the characters. Si Binibini Carmela, Carmelita, at si Inuwaling Tolson. I think that's the best part. That's what makes this book also fun to read kasi because of the personality of Juanito and Carmela or Carmelita, it's very actually, alam mo yun, very distinctive personality nila, but they were able to blend well. And Carmelita, despite, yung personality nila pagkakonyo, ganon, nakapag-blend siya sa life during the 1980s or 80s, sa ganon. So, despite of her konyo accent and, is very girly, masungit, mataray, ganon, the personality, nakapag-blend well siya sa life. Though they are fictional, but, it's really just amazing. So, all in all, I really, really love this book so much. And guys, I do recommend this one. Actually, babanggitin ko na rin ito. Currently kasi may ongoing series siya. So, baka naman i-check nyo lang. Pero actually, I don't watch that. Kasi I want to stick with the book. For some personal reasons na hindi ko na na-inspire kasi ayoko namang marubin na yung imagination or anything. But yeah, I do encourage you to watch that also if you just wanted and if you have time. At the same time, I also encourage you to buy or read the book. So, yung book currently, kasi nabasa ko siya, nasa free program pa siya. So, ngayon ata, yeah. So ngayon, kung babasahin na siya sa Wattpad, it's actually already paid. It's in a paid program. And yeah. So yun. So yun lang guys. This is how I'm going to wrap up my book of the month vlog. So I'll see you on my next vlog. See you in October. Yeah. And yeah, yun lang guys. See you guys on my next vlog. Bye! And also pala guys, before I fully leave, nakalimutan ko sabihin. If you have a book recommendations, huwag niyo kalimutan yun. Mag-comment lang kayo on my videos. And if you have, if you want to also recommend an online book, feel free then to comment it down below and check ko yun para sa inyo. You can also guys follow me on my social media accounts so that you will be updated with all of the videos and all. Lahat. Updates, reels, and then yun lang. And also guys pala, I also have merch that will be available on e-bookstore. So e-bookstore is actually my online store. And if you want to purchase my merch, then go there na. Okay, so yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye bye. Love you, mama. Bye.